Mosmatic Undercarriage Cleaner with Ramp. This undercarriage cleaner with ramp is an innovative solution for vehicle washing and cleaning. The all-stainless construction provides durability and strength, while the 120 mm height allows it to accommodate vehicles of different sizes. The expandable design allows you to add additional features like rocker and side cannons for a comprehensive wash-done setup. The versatile design can be set up in a fixed or mobile location, and the surface mount feature does not interfere with floor heating systems, ensuring safe and secure installation. The hydro-driven swivel technology eliminates the need for electric or hydraulic motors, making the high-pressure water system the sole source of power for cleaning. The high-impact cleaning nozzle and rotating cleaning action effectively break up and flush away debris, providing a thorough clean every time. MAXSA Innovations Traction Mats. Traction mats from MAXSA Innovations provide a simple solution to get out of sticky situations in any weather. The 5.5x23 size is perfect for all passenger vehicles, and the mats are sold in a set of 2. The brake-resistant plastic material is capable of resisting the coldest temperatures down to -22 F. And the rust-resistant brass pins ensure that the mats will be reliable and long-lasting. The easy-to-use design of the mats allows you to place them under your vehicle's drive wheels and drive out of the slippery situation. No more shoveling, towing, or calling for help. These traction mats have got you covered. XD Freestyle from Cruisemaster. The XD suspension system from Cruisemaster is known for its innovative design and high performance, making it a popular choice among those who need a reliable suspension system for their trailers. Whether you're looking for air or coil suspension, with electric drum or hydraulic disc brakes, Cruisemaster has a solution for you. With systems available up to 4.5 terameters IDM with its 6th generation XD Freestyle, you'll have even more freedom to explore and tackle any terrain with confidence. The unique A-frame arm design has been perfected over the years, and the attention to detail paid to all aspects of the suspension system is what sets it apart from the competition. Packrack Inflatable Roof Rack. Inflatable packracks can be quickly inflated using the Airstream pump sack, and are capable of carrying up to 60 kilograms of gear. The main air tube is extremely durable and resistant to punctures and tears, making it perfect for transporting your valuable gear. The packracks also feature adjustable cam buckles that allow for a secure and tight fit, ensuring that your gear stays in place during transit. With its compact design and the ability to pack down into a small 4-liter sack, packracks are the perfect solution for anyone who wants a convenient and easy-to-use roof rack system for their outdoor gear. Whether you're heading out for a camping trip or just need to transport your gear to the beach, packracks are a versatile and reliable solution for all your outdoor gear transportation needs. Global Air Suspension Wheel. This innovative design offers a number of benefits over traditional tires, including increased safety and durability, reduced environmental impact, and cost savings over the long term. With the ability to replace only the treads as needed, rather than the entire tire, the air suspension wheel provides a more sustainable solution for heavy-duty vehicles in the mining and construction industries. In addition, the air suspension system offers improved performance in rough terrain, helping to reduce the risk of accidents and damage to vehicles and equipment. Whether you're looking to reduce costs, improve safety, or simply be more environmentally responsible, the air suspension wheel is a cutting-edge solution for the demands of modern industry. S-Light is an innovative and compact solution for warning other drivers about an emergency situation on the road. The warning triangle uses afterimage technology, which helps prevent secondary accidents by leaving a vivid afterimage in the driver's mind. The S-Light is also designed to be easy to use, with a simple setup process that can be completed in minutes. The compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry in your vehicle at all times, giving you peace of mind knowing that you are prepared for any situation. Whether you're driving on the highway or on a back road, S-Light is an essential accessory for improving visibility and avoiding accidents. CargoSmart Vertical Bar Hybrid S-Curve Ramps. The CargoSmart Hybrid Ramp is an innovative solution for anyone looking to transport heavy equipment and appliances with ease. Its S-curve design provides a smooth surface for easy loading, and the adjustable safety strap ensures that your cargo stays securely in place during transportation. The ramp's rust-proof construction and folding design make it a durable and convenient option for a variety of uses. With a load capacity of 750 pounds, the CargoSmart Hybrid Ramp is a great choice for anyone looking to make their transportation tasks easier and more efficient. Tiger's tailgate pads are a cost-effective solution for mid-size pickup truck owners to store and transport up to 5 bicycles. The pads are compatible with tailgate openings measuring 51.8 inches in width and 19.7 inches in height. The exterior side is made of durable 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl, while the vehicle side is made of soft polyester for smooth contact with the tailgate. The top mounting surface is made of a robust composite material that can handle various equipment types. The center flap can be rolled up to access the tailgate handle, and there are 2 large storage pockets on the bedside. The pad can be installed in minutes with 4 buckle straps. Deadman OffRoad. The Deadman Earth Anchor is a lightweight, self-recovery anchor that can anchor to various natural features. It is versatile, and it can be used as a ground anchor. The anchor has a minimum braking strength ranging from 33,200 to 66,400 pound after assembly, making it the strongest member of a recovery kit. It is made of Class VII polyester industrial slings, and it's American-made, ensuring maximum strength. The Deadman Earth Anchor is easily stowed and always with you, giving you the confidence to explore off-road. Yakima Road Shower. The Yakima Road Shower is a portable pressurized water system that attaches to your vehicle or trailer, providing the convenience of water in remote location. It's perfect for washing sandy feet, dirty paws, and muddy bikes. The road shower is attached to your vehicle, allowing you to move freely while carrying pressurized water. The water tank is heated by the sun, providing hot water for showers or washing dishes. It's a reliable and versatile solution for outdoor adventurers. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.